Ella Pediatora. I'm playing Ark Raiders. I am correct Greek, and I am ready to go on an adventure. I'm going on an adventure, and I'm going to try to get some Ark motion cores. Because what I'd like to do is go to my workshop, explosive station, build a wolf pack. I need wolf packs because I need to upgrade my refinery to go to level up so I can get a bombardier. But I also need some arc motion cores, so I need to get explosives and arc motion cores. I think I have enough to make some explosives, so let's go ahead and I'm gonna have I need at least 6, 9 preferably. Then I'll be OP if I get 9. So let me go over here to refinery and let's make some. I got some oil, so I need 1. I think I need 4, yeah. Let's go 4. So now when I go to explosive station, I go over here. I got 9. I got enough for 3. So I need, what do I need? 2. I need 4. I need 5 arc motion cores. So we're going to go on a mission for 5 arc motion cores. I'm going to go for my patina. Let's see if I can upgrade it. I don't think it matters. I don't have heavy gun parts. I got some seeds. Wait a minute. Let's see if I can go to Miss Celeste and buy some. I only can buy 1. No, wait a minute. Use scrap weapon. Not enough space in your stash. Boy, my stash is full. Well, I can get it later, so that's good. Stash is maxed out, so I'm just going to go cold snap. Confirm. And you see, I got some band-aids extra there. Then let me go and get some more bandages. I think more bandages. And some more of that. I'm just going in. I just want arc mission cores. Got some weapons. Got a safe pocket key. I don't know if that'll work on that map, but we're going to try it. So confirm. Ready up, baby. Let's go. Gotta have my my medium shield and a little combat, so I have a little extra space for everything. But I got that snap blast. That's a great, sticks to everything and short delay blows up. Got the quick recharger, got the regular recharger, and I got some extra bandages for the cold. I'm gonna stay on top of that. First game I played, I got killed because it got cold. Woo! Yeah, let's go. Ella, pedia. Pesumetora. Siniasas. Adere malakes. Etimi. Etimonstre malakes. Adere. Πάμε μέσα στο Dam Battlegrounds. Μέσα στην Ark. Ark! Okay, now, hopefully it let me load in. Yeah. Oh, this is not good. This is not good. When you wait too long, it won't load in. Adere malaka to Ark. What am I going to do with this? Can't play my game. Tinakano the pera. I'm stuck. I got to wait. Oh, son of a bitch. I guess everybody wants to play the cold spell. Go back to normal Ark. Come on. Yup. That's good. It's going to try again. Ay. Bend it around. I got to go somewhere else. Okay. We're going to... got some good arcs in Battlefield. I'll go there. All right, let's go. Cold snaps. Too many people going to cold snap. So scattato cold snap. There I go. Come on. I don't want to kill no shit. You better put me in the game, damn it. Come on, oh hell. See? That's what it was. Oh, here I go again. I didn't get in fast enough. What I get? Steel string if I get it.
This is Apollo. Here's a tip, Raider. Hornets tend to hover. If my designs hold up, that's the perfect time to stick them with an explosive.
I need to kill some arcs. Get some of that arc shell stuff. Let's see, nobody's been here. Can't believe it. Unbelievable. There's hope. There's hope. Always go over here and see if... I don't hear a raider cache. I don't hear nothing. Let's go back here. Come on. Traca de malaca. A little fire here. I don't even care to look over there. There we go. Oh, I can't pick it up now. Tinato Sakra. Yeah, someone's been here. Could have been me. I don't know. Oh, come on. Let me give me a fan. Cooling fan. Nothing. Scatta. Scatta Carchidia. Oh man, not even in there. You know what? I tried going to the old battlegrounds. Just gonna have to go a little more dangerous. Let's see what we get. Let's go to water treatment.
Let's go to water treatment control.
Keep my weapon out. Can't trust these bouillons. Gotta do the patented. Don't shoot! Okay. They try to shoot me, they dead. Uh-oh. I don't know what's over there. It's making all that racket. Sounds like a leper. It is a leper. Ain't shit in here. Damn. I can almost shoot this leper. You leper. I don't plan on shooting a leper. But I could have fun with it. Where is it? Where you are? There you are. I have good cover here. I could probably take it out. Let me close this door too. Go move some weapons. Oh. Shit! Run! The fuck is it? Shit! Oh shit! Get in! Hell yeah! Hell yeah! Fuck yeah! Come on! Bitch gotta go down! Get in, get in, get in! Woo! Damn! Fucking finally!
Hey, looks like y'all having fun.
Oh shit! I just need the arc power cells. Damn. Dang, good thing we got some cool people, man. Yes, sir. Do this.
What's up, brother?
All cool, man.
Yes, sir.
Let's get out of here.
Absolutely. Dude, Duos is almost unplayable right now. Me and my boy are literally dying every fucking night. I'm just trying to get from my bench. Get cores, you know,
Yeah.
normal shit.
Just still trying to upgrade my workbench.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. Made it. I am out. Turn home safely. Yes, sir. I got one arc mesh and power cell. Man, I used all my bullets on that sumbitch. Shot the hell out of that damn thing. Ran out of bullets. Shoot all. I gotta use fire. Whenever you want to try to kill one of them, you gotta use fire. And